Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2011 F-350 XLT in royal red metallic with a brown cloth interior and seating for 6. This 4-door pickup has an 8-foot box and a 6.2-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can power fold as well as extend. The driver enjoys a powered seat with manual lumbar. Off to the side there are your lighting controls and your dash lights. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have cruise controls, dash controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the truck for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Trip A, Trip B, distance to empty, average fuel consumption, timer, and background again to Trip A. Just there are your hazard lights, and off to the sides your automatic select shifter. On the end there you have tow haul. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Press it again, and off it goes. Off to the side there's a little storage bin, and below that's your media display screen with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and auxiliary line in. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner. Below that you have climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front defrost and your heated side view mirrors. Below that's your integrated trailer brake controller and your programmable upfitter switches. Off to the sides your 4x4 with locking differential and a 12-volt outlet. Couple of cup holders just below there, and in your armrest there's some more cup holders as well as a little clip there for storage. You can also flip this seat up for a 6th seat when you need it. There's also a clip on the end for added storage. Off to the side there you have hill descent, traction control, a 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary line in. Off to the sides your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, 2 sunglasses holders, and grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running boards, black door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. That black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector and a trailer tow hitch. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply walk up, put your hand in the handle there, and pull down. You'll notice the inside's nicely lined, and there's tie-downs in all 4 corners, as well as a tailgate step to make it easier to get in, which I will not open today because it takes 2 hands to open it. The doors open in a Dutch style, so the front door comes first, and then the rear door opens. The rear door has speakers, as well as manually operated windows. With a quick pinch, it'll open for you. The rear seat has seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, there's a lever next to the seat there. Simply push that up and then fold the seat up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to fold that seat back down in its original position, simply take that clip there and pull up, and the seat will fold back down in its original position. On the floor, all-weather mats. Behind the front seats, slim pockets. And up above, you have hooks. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 8-foot box, privacy glass, heated and powered, power folding and power extending side view mirrors, front tow hooks, halogen headlights, and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.